Daily intermittent fasting. In this training, we have not recommended a specific intermittent fasting plan for you, as we know that everyone is different. All of us have different schedules and lifestyle patterns, as well as different responsibilities. The purpose of this video is to provide you with some tips to help you succeed every day with intermittent fasting. Set goals. It is very likely that you want to get started with intermittent fasting to lose weight. If this is the case, then you should set a specific goal for your weight loss with intermittent fasting. We recommend that you follow the SMART goal setting process to do this. Specific. How much weight do you want to lose? Measurable. How will you measure your progress? Bathroom scales, etc. Achievable. Specify an amount of weight to lose that is achievable. Realistic. You're not going to lose 100 pounds in a month, so be realistic. Timed. Add a timeline such as losing weight in 6 months or a year. Take time to write down your weight loss goal for intermittent fasting. Think about how you will feel when you have lost this weight. How good will you look? Make the feeling strong and write these down as well. Carry your weight loss goal around with you wherever you go. Make copies and have them available everywhere in your home. If the intermittent fasting is tough going for you, then get out your goal sheet and remind yourself of why you were doing it. It will provide you with the inspiration to carry on. Create your schedule and stick to it. Timing is very important with intermittent fasting. Your eating window and fasting window are the foundations of success. It is essential that you identify the best times for these windows and stick to them. Take a good look at your current schedule and determine the best time for your eating window. It is really important that you get this right. If you have to make adjustments to this, then you can affect your intermittent fasting results a bit. But it is better to make a change if you have to for long-term results. How many meals? Do you think that eating 1 or 2 big meals will work best for you in your eating window? Or will it be better for you to eat a lot of smaller meals? It really doesn't matter which of these options you go for. You could even have a number of small meals as well as larger meals. It is better to have a plan for the meals that you are going to eat each day than just trying to wing it. Write down what you will eat every day in your eating window and make sure that you have the provisions available. When will you exercise? This doesn't matter too much if you're just going to introduce gentle exercise into your lifestyle, such as short walks and climbing the stairs instead of taking the elevator. But it is important when you want to do more of this. It is never a good idea to have a full workout session just before your fasting window begins. Your stomach will be empty, and you will definitely experience hunger pangs. So, schedule your workouts to end within your eating window so that you can consume a meal after exercising. Stay hydrated. It doesn't matter what method of intermittent fasting you choose. It is essential that you stay hydrated. During your fasting window, you must not eat any food as this contains calories. But you can certainly drink as much water as you want. You can also drink 0-calorie diet sodas during your fasting window as well. By staying hydrated, you will ensure that you flush away the toxins in your body. This is good for your health and losing weight as well. Good hydration has a number of other health benefits, such as healthier skin and regular bowel movements. Being hydrated will also help you to avoid headaches. We have already discussed that drinking water or calorie-free beverages can stave off hunger pangs during your fasting window and help you to feel full. It is worth mentioning this again, as some people think that the fasting window means abstaining from everything. In the next video, we will discuss why you need to consider scaling up your intermittent fasting and how to do this.